Adding text to your Canva designs is simple and user-friendly. To get started, ensure you have a design open in the workspace. If you don't already have one, click Create a Design and select a template or custom size from the available options. Once your design is open, look to the left side toolbar and click the T icon, which is for the text tool. This will open a drop-down menu labeled Add a Text Box. From here, you can choose from 3 preset text options: add a heading, add a subheading, or add a little bit of body text. These options make it easy to organize your design with text hierarchies. Simply click on your desired option, and a text box will appear in your design space. You can move this box anywhere on the page by dragging it. Beneath the basic text options, you'll find additional tools such as dynamic text, recently used text, and font combinations. Dynamic text here inserts page numbers, while font combinations offer stylish, pre-designed text pairings to elevate your project. Clicking on any of these options adds them to your design, where you can click and edit the text as needed. The top toolbar is where you'll find all the editing tools for your text. Clicking here opens the font drop-down menu, where you can choose a new font from Canva's extensive font library. The library includes free fonts as well as the crown-marked premium fonts for Canva Pro members. The menu also lists document fonts, recommended fonts, recently used, popular options, as well as all the other fonts Canva has to offer. Here, Canva Pro users can upload custom fonts to use in their designs. You can further customize your text by adjusting the font size, color, and alignment directly from the top toolbar. Additionally, options for bold, italics, underlining, and text effects like shadows or glows are readily available. You can also change the spacing between letters and lines, as well as position the text precisely on the canvas using the alignment tools. With all these options at your fingertips, Canva makes adding and editing text a seamless process, whether you're creating a simple title or incorporating dynamic text effects into your design. Take some time to explore the tools, and you'll be able to add professional-looking text to any project in no time. I hope this short tutorial gives you a better understanding of how to add text to your designs. If you found this helpful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.